Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best C-clamps reviews. Number 5. Bustex locking C-clamp 11 inches table and tool vise grip. Wide opening jaws offer versatility in clamping of different shapes and materials. Clamps can hold workpieces in place without moving an inches. High-grade heat-treated steel construction ensures its durability, toughness, and longevity. Brand, Bustex. Weight, 1.47 pounds. Model, W2, TL58 C-clamp. Color, silver. Material, stainless steel. Dimension, 11 into 0.8 into 5.5 inches. Number 4. Irwin Quick Grip C-clamp. Double threading clamp for faster with 50% more pressure. Large swivel pad doesn't put marks on item that is being held. Large handle reduces hand fatigue and provide more 25% more clamping pressure. Swivel pad offers more stability and hold on clamped item in position. Brand, Irwin Tools. Weight, 3.5 pounds. Model, 225106. Color, blue. Made, China. Size, 6 inches. Number 3. Irwin Quick Grip Handy Clamp. Its quick-release trigger helps to fasten workpieces securely. It uses ratcheting mechanism to adjust clamping pressure, generate significant clamping pressure, and reduce hand fatigue. Constructed by high-tech resin for increased durability and strength. Brand, Irwin Tools. Weight, 7 ounces. Color, blue. Model, 59400CD. Size, 4 inches. Dimension, 9.6 into 5 into 1.2 inches. Number 2. Irwin Vise Grip Original Locking C-clamp with swivel pads. Jaws are wide open to clamp a variety of shapes. Swivel pads protect work surface. Ideal for delicate projects, awkward fabricating jobs, and tapered work. Turn screw helps to adjust pressure and keep the work pieces adjusted. Brand, Irwin Tools. Weight, 1.8 pounds. Model, 20. Color, metallic silver. Size, 11 inches. Dimension, 13.5 into 6.6 into 1 inches. Number 1. TEKTON, 6 inches malleable iron C-clamp. Can be used for multiple projects including assembly, welding, fastening, and gluing. Cast malleable iron construction provides increased strength. Acme threaded screw allows smooth gliding. Swivel jaw pad helps to apply pressure evenly. Brand: TEKTON. Weight: 2.2 pounds. Model: 4027. Color: multi. Made: USA. Size: 6 inches. Dimension: 11 into 5 into 1.2 inches.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!